Hey, it's Michelle from Monkey's Creations, and we are going to make a patriotic flag scarf wreath using a 14-inch grapevine, the red, white, and blue scarf that you can grab on my website, monkeyscreations.com. And I have all kinds of leftovers, y'all. So we've got some greenery, we've got some roses, some white florals, just to bring in a little bit of white. And then we're going to make a bow. So let me bring you down. We will get started with putting the scarf on. I find it easier just to grab one end of the scarf, scrunch it up, and then just zip tie it. Go ahead and cut that off. And then we are just going to wrap it around the grapevine. Pull a little bit over. And I like my tail a little bit longer. If you want yours shorter, then just bring more around. And then I'm just going to take that and zip tie it to the frame. And then flip it back over. And then kind of arrange this however you want to do it. Just work with it. I kind of just like to pull it over. Bring this tight. You can leave as little or as much of the grapevine showing as you like. Just kind of pulling it taut right around that grapevine. Just like that. And then I zip tie it here again. Y'all, there's so many ways you can do this. Pick your favorite way and just make it. Got a little bit of grapevine here. I'm going to snip off because it's sticking out. Okay. See how easy that was? And then you can maneuver this around if you want to see more of that red and white stripe. Just be careful of snagging it on that grapevine. And then we're going to start putting some greenery in it. And then we're going to make a bow. So I'm just bringing some greenery right up the top. Around where we zip tied that to the grapevine. And these are all leftover pieces. I love using leftovers for these little projects. And then we're going to bring some out the bottom. And then I'm actually going to bring some into that bow once we get that bow made. All right, we're gonna make our bow. So I'm doing 14-inch tail. We are using 7/8" ribbon for our bottom loops. And we are gonna do 3 loops at 5 inches. And then we're gonna come in with that 1.5" red, white, and blue right on top of that. So 3 loops at 5 inches. And then we're going to come in with the red, white, and navy. And we're only going to go down 1/2 inch. So still 14-inch tail. And this loop we're going to do at 4.5 inch. So 2 loops at 4.5 inch. And then we're going to come back with that 7/8 and do 1 loop at 4 inches. So still a 14-inch tail. One loop at 4 inches. Grab a pipe cleaner. Wrap that around tightly, and then let's go ahead and fluff our loops. Just like that. Just like that. Let's go ahead and bring our grapevine back up. And I am just going to take those pipe cleaners, wrap them right around where we have that zip tie. So taking it through that grapevine. Pulling it tight. And And let's go ahead and slant our ribbon tails. Get this side done. Let's get them curled. And then we can add our florals. Bring our curls down. You can make these tails as long or short as you want. I usually average 14 inches. Loops. Okay, just like that. And now we can start adding our florals. These are all leftover, so it's an awesome way to use your leftover florals that you already have cut. I just kind of set mine in a bucket to use for projects like this. You can see I'm kind of bending that wire a little bit. Kind of slanting them different directions. We're going to put some here at the bottom. Just adding glue for my glue gun over here. And then we're going to add a few of these white baby's breath, just to bring a little white in. Just a few pops of it. Don't typically use a lot of white, but I do like pops of it. pop up here. All right, kind of fix our bow again. And then I do like to add a little bit of greenery into the bow. I just find that it helps kind of cut down on all that red, white, and blue. It just brings in some extra colors into that bow. Kind of breaks it all up a little bit. So we're going to take some of these, cut them down just a little bit more, and add them right into the bow. I love this look. Cut them down just a little bit more. Add it right in the center. Take it right down to that base and glue it in. Add as little or as much as you want. I think we need one more piece right up there. Kind of moving that white around a little bit. Just tug that one off. So we'll glue it right back in. Fix our tails. One last time. And there you go. Beautiful patriotic scarf grapevine.